Hello guys and welcome to my channel Mirza Home Decor. The YouTube channel and the latest video is more important on the home decor and home design. A dressing table is more than just a piece of furniture. It's personal where style meet functionality. In modern interior design, dressing tables are crafted to blend seamlessly with contemporary aesthetic while offering practical solutions for every gloaming need. Here are some innovative ideas to inspire your next makeover. Minimalistic elegance. OPT for a sleek minimalist design with clean line and monochromatic color scheme. A single white or black dressing table with minimalist handle and a large frameless mirror can create a sophisticated look. Incorporate built in LED lights around the mirror for the touch of modern layering and improvement visibility. Save floor space with a wall mounted floating dressing table. This design gives a chic and airy feel to the room, perfect for smaller space. Pair it with a stylish stool or a transparent relic chair to maintain the open and modern vibe. Multifunctional pieces. Choose a dressing table that double as a desk or a vanity with built-in storage. This multifunctional approach is ideal for compact living space where every piece of furniture needs to serve multiple purpose. Look for design with hidden compartment and drawer to keep your beauty essential organized and out of sight. Elevate your dressing table with a statement mirror where it's round or oval for or a abstract shape. A unique mirror can be the focal point of your dressing area. Consider mirror with intricate frame or backlighting to add a element of glamour. Natural element incorporate natural material like wood, stone, or rattan for a touch of warmth and texture. A wooden dressing table with a smooth finish can create a beautiful cons- uh, contrast in modern minimalist room. Add plant or greenery to your dressing area to artificial things area to bring a bit of natural indoor enhance the calming atmosphere. Customize your dressing table to suit your personal style and story need. Choose from the variety of finishes, color, and hardware to create a pieces that reflect your taste. Consider adding a mixture of open shelving and closed drawing to display your favorite item while keeping clutter at bay. Incorporate a modern dressing table into your home can transform your daily routine into luxury experience where you prefer sleek, minimalist, natural material or touch-savvy future that their modern design to suit every taste and space. Were you looking to revamp your bedroom or simply add a touch of elegance to your space? We got you covered with a plethora of ideas and inspiration. Stay tuned as we explore different style, material, and practical tips to help you create a perfect dressing areas. Let's talk about minimalist elegance. Minimalist is all about simplicity and functionality, which make it a perfect fit for modern interior design. When choosing a minimalist dressing table, look for clean line, a monochrome color scheme, and a clutter-free surface. A white or black dressing table with a simple frameless mirror can create a sophisticated and timeless look. To add a touch of layer, consider incorporate built-in LED lighting around the mirror. This not only enhance the synthetic appeal but also provide better illumination for your gloaming routine. LED lights are energy efficient and can be adjusted to different brightness level, ensuring you have the perfect lighting for any time of the day. A functional dressing table that double as a desk. And today, fast places world furniture that serves multiple purpose is a highly sought after. Multifunctional dressing tables are perfect for those who need their space to be versatile. Look for a dressing table that double as a desk or vanity with built-in storage. This approach is especially useful in compact living space where every species of for furniture needs to pull double duty. Hidden compartment and drawer can keep your beauty essential organized and out of sight, ensuring a clutter-free and seamless look. Design are very beautiful of discover ideas. Customize ensure that your transforming is not only functional style. Consider the location. Place your dressing table near a window for natural light with is ideal for makeup application. If natural light is not available, ensure you have good artificial lights. Next thing about storage, organize your beauty product and accessories using trays, books, and divided to keep everything in its place. A clutter-free surface not only look better but also make your routine more efficient. One of the primary design benefit a well-designed dressing table is visual appeal. It adds a room to a room. Modern dressing tables are available in various style, material, and finishes, allowing choose the natural beauty space, but not allow choose pieces that complement your overall decor, whether your design and ideas. A variety of design to match any decor, arts, and focal point in the room of design. And thanks for watching the video, Mirza Home Decor. Like and subscribe.